Did you know the secret father of rap music wasn't from New York, but from Jamaica? When I tell you this story is incredible, I mean it, people. Meet Dennis Smith, better known as Dennis Alcapone. Back in 1970s Jamaica, this man was creating something the world had never heard before. While other DJs were just shouting over beats, Al Capone was crafting pure magic. His breakthrough hit, Guns Don't Argue, changed everything. He wasn't just talking fast over music. He was making his voice dance with the rhythm in ways that seemed impossible. Complex rhyme patterns, perfect timing, vocals that locked into the beat like puzzle pieces. But here's the crazy part. When Jamaican families moved to New York and hip-hop was born, they brought Al Capone's techniques with them. Every rapper today, from Kendrick to Drake, is using patterns this Jamaican pioneer created 50 years ago. Al Capone invented riding the rhythm, making vocals and music work together in perfect harmony. He didn't just influence reggae, he literally created the blueprint for rap music itself. Absolute genius.